Now in this video we will see how we can write HTML code. Since using that HTML we can create our to-do application. So for that we can write here some code, and always we have to make sure that we are returning only one parent tag. In React.js we cannot return more than one parent tag. So suppose this one is not valid, it will give us error. So what, instead of this, what you can do, you can just write inside this. So inner tag is fine, but you cannot return more than one tag, more than one HTML tag from React.js application. Now here we can see how we can create our application, to-do application. So let's say I'm just trying to use h1 tag, and here I can say to-do application. This is the header. After that we can use one form, and in this form we can use one label, and then we can say HTML for, we can give the label ID. So I can say this is simple ID, and then we can add the label name. So let's say I can label it that input items or item, input item. This is, we can say that this is label, and after that we can create one input tag, input ID equal to ID, and then we can say that we can add here on change and other stuff we'll have to add here, but for now let's just, I'm just closing this tag here. We don't need closing tag especially. And then we can also create one button, and in this button we can simply say add, right? So by doing this, if we will save and go to the application, we can see here it is saying to-do application, input item, and then we can click input, and either I can click on this add, or I can simply click enter. The next thing should be happen is it should add here. So item should be added here. So you can see how we can write HTML code inside React.js application. In the next video we will see how we can connect these things with React.js and how we can use states in React.js.